It's a cold, blizzardy, beautiful, mountainy space, and there's a lot of gorgeous film and art up here, and I love that it's happening.
Of the other festivals we've been to, there really hasn't been anything else like it. It's just an amazing experience in a beautiful place with great films.
It's a very supportive film festival where a lot of experimental projects have come to life.
The projects that are shown here are world class. It's the place to be.
And there is something that I want all of you to do, and that is take this festival in your hands. This is your experience. Tell people about your film. See films that maybe you wouldn't normally see in a theater, and most importantly, have fucking fun.
Thank you for being a part of Mammoth Film Festival 2024. We're excited to have you. Thank you, guys.
Feels great to be back at Mammoth. Feel the love here.
Amazing turnout. We got probably the biggest lineup I think we've ever had in our history. This feels like years 1, 2, and 3 combined for year 6.
I feel so incredibly lucky to be here.
I think there's an incredible group of filmmakers here that represent a diverse background and thematic representation of film, and that's one of the wonderful things about Mammoth Film Festival.
It's a really beautiful kind of social space. I've met a lot of people here already, and the films have been fantastic so far, so I'm ready to trek through anything to get here.
I'll be back every year. Honestly, it's been one of the most creative festivals I've been a part of.
Mammoth Film Festival is badass.
It's tough. It's hard to build a film festival. So movies that are here, I mean, they're cherry picked for a reason.
What Tanner's created here over the years is a movement, and I think with filmmaking, that's very important.
We sure appreciate you guys. It's really, really cool what we're trying to do with the Mammoth Media Institute.
Does it make me feel anything? I mean, that's the whole point of film in general, is that whatever you've made, it's got to make somebody feel a certain way.
To see the passion, that's my favorite part of anything in art, is seeing someone's passion coming out onto the screen.
You make something that makes somebody feel something and connects with, and it's that's your calling card.
And I'm excited to have our world premiere tonight.
I'm looking forward to finally having our world premiere. We have 3 feature films that have their world premieres.
This is where we are premiering our film.
Well, it's a world premiere. Let's start with that. How often do we get those, right?
Flux is a psychological thriller. It's just a wild ride, and I can't wait for everybody to see it.
Well, I'm excited to see our film on the big screen. I think that's going to be awesome.
We just want people to have fun and laugh.
Yeah, just laugh a lot.
Yeah, just laugh a lot.
And I can't wait for everyone to see my film and the impact my film has. Are you asking if I'm going to the after party? That answer is yes.
We do this really cool thing where we take the movie and we bring it off screen and into the event afterwards.
Mammoth Film Festival Night 2, the Invisible Raptor Party.
We got a very special treat for you tonight in Mammoth Lakes, California. Eric, take it away, sir.
Welcome to the Her Voice panel at Mammoth Film Festival.
I'm blown away by the talented filmmakers and the talented community that we have built with this festival, and especially through Her Voice. Her Voice is dedicated to the advancement and achievement of female filmmakers.
Amongst so many talented, beautiful, amazing, smart, creative, showstopper women, for Mammoth to support something like Her Voice, for me is so important, because we need more festivals to kind of take that charge and take that torch and say, we're gonna do this, and we're going to go out of our way to hear what females have to say.
There is room for all of us. We don't have to be in competition, but especially within women, because we are some of the only people who know what each other goes through.
All these female directors, creators, writers, just actively encouraging people to make work, supporting each other, and kind of persevering through a lot of hardships. It was really inspiring.
It feels really personal.
It was incredible. A lot of really, really beautiful things said, and very, very inspiring.
Thank you to Olivia, Rachel, Bella, Shelley, Nadine, and Mammoth Film Festival. Thank you all so much.
It's not the easiest thing to get into Mammoth Film Festival. You know, it's a long, arduous process, and this is our 6th year, and this was the best I have seen.
And the winner is Nadine Crocker for Continue.
Well, holy shit.
Bella Thorne for Paint Her Red.
I want to thank Mammoth for really giving a spotlight to female filmmakers.
Kieran Murphy for Flux.
Please put your hands together, Mr. Derek Waters.
Thank you so much. Look at you.
Lauren Knoll.
Like, this might as well be an Oscar to me.
The Invisible Raptor.
Oh my gosh.
We Have Notes.
Thanks, everybody.
And congratulations to all the filmmakers.
See you next year.